How to run a credit check in the PorterGO mobile app. Before we start, let's go over which device is best for you. The PorterGO mobile app is better if you are on the road, where the PorterGO desktop portal is better if you're at a desk. This video will show you how to run a credit check on the PorterGO mobile app. Let's get started. Open the PorterGO app and log in. Click the credit check icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap to enter the load amount. Tap to enter the broker or shipper name. You can search by their name, MC number or DOT number. Tap to select the broker or shipper. Tap Perform Credit Check. From here you can view if they are approved or denied, as well as their days to pay. Now let's go back to what happens if you can't find your broker or shipper when searching. If your broker or shipper information doesn't populate when performing your search, click the Add a Missing Broker button. Click Perform Credit Check. Now click Request Credit Review. Enter any details about the debtor or this transaction for our credit team to review. Your request will be sent to our credit team and you will receive an email notifying you if approved or denied. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions or need assistance, please call us at 25650 28200.